I'm here today at Rada Comprehensive School, and it's a particular pleasure to be here as well to highlight the fact that we are announcing an additional £20 million of in-year funding for schools in Wales. That's money for school standards and schools causing concern, and that brings to £262 million the amount of additional funding we're providing for education over 2 years. I've had the opportunity to have a tour and to meet some of the staff and pupils. Hi!
Hello.
Nice to see you all. It's nice and warm in here. Sorry to disturb you. I'm just having a look at your sixth form centre. What are you all studying?
I do biology, chemistry and music.
I can see it. Yeah, excellent. Do you planning both to go on to further study?
I have been to university.
And I've applied for an apprenticeship with aircraft maintenance with British Airways.
Great. Oh, fantastic. They are doing brilliant work here. They had an excellent Estin report, particularly pleased to hear about the really high standards of teaching and learning here.